Welcome to Behr Presents How to Paint a Cabinet Door. Painting a cabinet door is a simple way to bring new life into your kitchen, and we'll walk you through the best way to do it in a few simple steps. To make sure you get the job done right, you'll need some tools. You might even have some of them already. For the ones that you don't have, you can pick them up at your local Home Depot. Before you get started, you'll want to clean off the cabinet doors and make sure all the dust and grime is gone. Next, you're going to have to sand the door. You can do this with a block sander using a simple back and forth motion with the grain of the wood. Wipe off the excess dust. You might need to add a coat of primer before painting. Starting from the middle and working your way toward the edges, paint with the grain of the cabinets, making sure you get a consistent, even coat. Once the paint is fully dried, we suggest adding a second coat. And don't worry, the paint will smooth out as it dries. Repeat this step for each of the cabinet doors and you'll be enjoying your new kitchen in no time. Check out our channel for more how-to videos.